Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super cute and very beautiful, very tempting, very yummy mango box for the summer decorations. So these are Alphonso mangoes which I have made in miniature form. So I will share each and every step of how to create the box cart using ice cream sticks, how to create these yummy mangoes using air dry clay, how to attach the fiber inside the box, everything in detailed step. And here I have created the cover of the box, so if you want to gift it to anyone you can just put it like this, and also made the super cute sliced mango to showcase how the mangoes looks from inside. Isn't it looking very tempting? So without any delay, let's get started. Here I am taking these two different styles of ice cream sticks, one in 5 mm and other one is having 1.8 centimeter width. So to create the box cart I am using these ice cream sticks. Now here I am taking the thinner ice cream stick which is 5 mm and taking total 6 centimeter of length to create the box side, and the corners are sharp, so I am just sanding it on sandpaper to make it soft and smooth. Now in total we need 5 sticks to create one side of the box. Now taking here 3.5 centimeter long sticks to attach between these 5 strips to connect it nicely. So just joining all the sticks together using glue. And this is done. With the same method I have prepared one more for other side of the box. Now to create another sides I am taking here 3.5 centimeter long thin strips and again connecting them together using thicker ice cream stick like this. So this is done. With the same method I have prepared one more. So all 4 sides are ready. Now to create bottom, here I am taking 6 centimeter long wider ice cream stick and taking 2 quantity, connecting both them together. And from back side I am adding 2 small sticks to gather it together, and in this way we have done with all the sides of the box, that is 4 sides and the bottom side. Now it's time to construct the box, so joining all the parts together and making the cart box. Like this, hold it for a few seconds and our box is completely dried and completely ready, keeping it aside for drying. So it's completely dried and now it's time to color our cart with very light brown color. Here I have mixed lots of water in my brown acrylic color and just washing it using paintbrush from all the sides. We don't want to create it very darker in shade. We want it to create in a brown wooden shade. and this is done. Similarly, I have covered the inner part also using same color, and the card is completely ready. Now here I am making the fiber which will come inside the box to protect the mangoes, and for this I am taking here 1 mm light brown color strips by Craftgully, taking few strips together and dividing in small parts like this. Then just make it together and scrunch it and make it in uneven shape to make a natural shredded fiber look. And then it's time to attach the fiber from all 4 walls inside the box. So just taking glue and attaching these fibers. Like this. Now here I am taking total 4 layers of the sun board which will come inside the box to give the height, and I am coloring this from all the sides using same brown color. The sun board is having 5 mm height, and I have joined 4 pieces together. This is little smaller than the box size so that it will fit perfectly inside the box. And the coloring is done. Then I am adding glue in the bottom and sticking the sun board pieces inside the box like this. Now the platform is ready to stick our mangoes on top of this. It has given the height like this. So this is ready. Now on top of the sunboard pieces I am adding lots of fibers to cover this completely. So again using thin strips and filling it like this. So the box is completely ready, looking like a real one, isn't it? Now it's time to create our teeny mini mangoes. So here I'm taking my handmade cold porcelain clay, just rolling it between my palm, and we have to divide it in equal parts of bowl so that we will have equal size of the mangoes. So first I am making few small doughs. Like this. Now I will show you how to shape it. So just taking one small piece, rolling it on my palm like a drop shape, and just twist it gently from the bottom. Shape it nicely from all the sides, and the mango is ready. Super easy. Similarly, making one more. Now I am taking my pointed tool and just making a small hole on top of the mango so that we can hold it through the pin tool while coloring it, and also taking small amount of clay and making the stem. So few mangoes I am attaching the stem right now before drying it, and few I'll attach later. So just making a thin pipe for the stem, and using glue I am connecting the stem on top of the mango through the hole. Like this. And now on the remaining mangoes I am simply creating the hole. So all our mangoes are ready. Some are having stems and some are having holes only. Now I am showing you how to make the mango leaves. So just taking a small amount of green color clay, flattening it on my palm like this, a leaf shape. And then we have to create the veins using any blade or any cutter. Do it gently and create the pattern of the leaf. Then just turn the leaf backward and the super cute mango leaf is ready. Similarly, I am going to prepare some more. Then our mangoes are completely dried, so it's time to color the mango. So just passing the needle tool through the hole which we have created and coloring my mango using golden yellow acrylic color. These are matte finish acrylic colors. You can also use chalk paints or soft pastels, whatever you have. If you want, you can add the tinge of light green or the red here and there to give little shaded effect to your mango. And now the mango which are not having the stem, I am adding little glue and filling the whole gap using small amount of brown color clay. Like this. So it will give the realistic look to your mango. And now I am attaching leaf which we have created with the mango. I am adding leaf only with the few mangoes, not with the every mango. Only one or two. And this is completely ready, looking very pretty. So all our cute mangoes are completely ready. They are looking very delicious. Now it's time to arrange the mangoes on the cart. So just adding glue, and I am adding total 15 mangoes on my cart, 5 mangoes in each row. So using glue, attach the mangoes one by one. Like this. And the super tempting yummy Alphonso Mango cart is completely ready. If you want, you can attach the magnet on backside and convert this into fridge magnet, or you can just keep it as it is as a showpiece. So you can gift it to mango lovers, and with the same size I have created the cover also so that you can gift it while attaching the cover by tying the knot using any jute rope, and when the receiver will open it, they will have the beautiful yummy sweet surprise. And also I have created one miniature platter of the mango. Just created some slices, a whole mango and the cut mango using the same clay and the same shades. So you can also attach this small platter with your mango cart. This is looking super juicy. and our super miniature cute mango gift cart is completely ready. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Happy summers. Bye.